that 2 millimeters, and the popliteal artery was very high calcified, as usual in this patient, because the MAC problem is not only a MAC problem of the foot, but of all the vascular treatment. So we complete the proximal anastomosis, and now Mariano is ready to complete the procedure to the endovascular access from anterior access of the femoral artery. We check the proximal running, we check the anastomosis, and we perform the endovalvulectomy of all the great saphenous vein, because there is a pulsation till here, then there are a lot of valves that must be destroyed to restore the flow of the foot. So, from the hybrid procedure on the great saphenous vein arterialization, the target is the foot, and the target is to go inside the foot through the great saphenous vein, marginal vein, and to find the exit. That usually is the vein of the first toe, because the finding the exit way is the clue of the procedure, because without the exit from the foot, from the venous system of the foot, we create a big merry-go-round of blood flow in the foot, but we haven't red blood cell in the tissue. So Mariano must find the exit way through which we can feed in the tissue.
Andrea, so if I understood well, you did already a valvulectomy in the proximal saphenous vein. Is it correct?
Yes, the first 4 or 5 centimeters I can do a mechanical endovalvulectomy of the great saphenous vein through a needle. So I do the mechanical, but I prefer the end approach that is more safe, because through the mechanical you can destroy the valve, but also the wall of the great saphenous vein, because it was not a great quality vein, because the wall is very thin, and I prefer to do the mechanical on the 3 or 4 centimeters, and the endovalvulectomy for the other valve in the saphenous vein.
Andrea, how big is the saphena? How is
2 millimeters.
So it's very small.
Yes.
Unfortunately.
It was the only that we have.
Yes.
We can do also the small saphenous vein arterialization, but the small saphenous vein is more thin than the great, so I prefer the great one.
Okay, so this is the caliber, and so the caliber of the vein is really important to give a good inflow to our system. So sometimes we may find small vein or acceptable vein, but this is an important topic in our procedure. So there is the first act where the bypass is performed is really important to maintain a high flow in all the system, of course. Mariano, can you hear us? Mariano? Is there a problem with the audio? Mariano, can you hear me? Andrea?
Yes.
Mariano ha il microfono spento?
Hai il microfono spento, Mariano. Another big problem is the spasm of the vein, both of the great saphenous vein and above all the vein of the foot. So we start at the beginning of our experience to work 2 hours, 3 hours on the foot, but then we understand that the less we do, the better it is. So we will find the exit of the big collateral that are still in the blood flow on the foot, but then we, if it's possible, we wait 2 or 3 weeks for completing the procedure.
Okay. Mariano, yours?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can hear me?
Yes, very well. So, Mariano, can you explain us what you're doing now?
Well, yeah, now we are going to do the vascular part of this hybrid DVA. So, first of all, as usually, I'm already performing an anterior axis in the common femoral, deploying a 6-joint sheath. We will do heparina, but as a factor Louis.
5.000.
So 5,000 units as usual.
Yeah, 5,000 units of heparin. And now we can be discussing because Andrea did 5,000 units for the surgical part, past at least 1 hour. So I did another 5,000 units. So, Andrea does is the common femoral 6-joint sheath, and now diagnostic end. We use, as always, as in our standard of care, the CO2 to do the diagnostic end to check that everything is functioning well, at least till the anastomosis of the bypass, and we will try to also understand how is the bypass functioning